Hello everybody, I am Mahesh Kumar Patidar, teacher of English language. Today I want to take new chapter which is very important for everybody. If you want to command over it, you will have to understand noun. Noun is the name of everything. So first take a noun in your mind which is in your hand or which are in your power. Possession है आज का टॉपिक. पोजीशन में आपको लिखना है कि जो चीजें आपके अधिकार में है वो चीजें आज इसमें हम डिनोट करेंगे. वी विल डिस्कस पोजीशन. इन पोजीशन मीन्स जो आपके अधिकार में है, जो आपके पास में है, जो आपका है, उसको डिनोट करने के लिए हमें इस पोजीशन का यूज करना पड़ता है. तो इसका फॉर्मूला वही है, जो सब्जेक्ट पहले आएगा, इसके बाद आपका हैज और हैव आएगा, और इसके बाद पास्ट में हैड आएगा, और फ्यूचर में विल आएगा. These are the common words. These are the common helping verbs which you know very well. But what should you add? You have to think about it. If you are adding third form of the verb, so it will be converted into our tenses. But we are taking possession chapter. So in possession we have to take noun. Okay. आपको इसमें नाउन लेना है, ये याद रखें कि नाउन आपके लेना है. अब इसका हिंदी मतलब होगा जो आपके पास में है या आपका है, जो आपके अधिकार में है, वो चीजें इसमें आएगी. क्लियर है? सो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस. आपके पास जो है, जो आपका है, आपके अधिकार में है, वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट दोज थिंग्स राइट नाउ. सो वी आर टेकिंग दिस चैप्टर टुडे. In this chapter, we will study how to make sentences, how to make four sentences, how to use all, and how to frame different types of sentences. Okay, fine. So it is better for you to learn these things very easily, but you will have to watch this video completely for 30 minutes. We will try to provide 2 videos on this because it will require at least 1 hour. And if we take 1 hour classes, this video will be very lengthy video. So we will divide in 2 parts. First A group and B group. So okay, so we are taking first. According to this, we are studying possession. Possession का हम sentences लेते हैं जो आपके पास में है. Okay, ready? उसके पास कार है. कैसे बोलेंगे आप? कार नाउन हो गया. He has a car. तो पोजीशन में क्या किया हमने कि ही लिया सब्जेक्ट, इसमें हैज लिया, और सीधा सीधा कार ले लिया. ही हैज अ कार. उसके पास बंगलो है तो ही हैज बंगलो. उसके पास बाइक है, ही हैज बाइक. उसके पास बहुत सारा पैसा, ही हैज लॉट ऑफ मनी. और उसके पास कंप्यूटर है, ही हैज कंप्यूटर. ही हैज नॉलेज, ही हैज टाइम. समझ में आ गया? He has house, he has all the facilities which are required to live a comfortable life. He has knowledge to get success in his life which he wants to get in his life. You have also a deep knowledge of your own languages. Okay, you can do whatever you want to do in your languages. So you must try to have deep knowledge of all the other languages also. ऐसा से बना सकते हैं. He has a luxury car which is very costly. हम बड़ी सेंटेंसेस ट्राई करें कि बड़े सेंटेंसेस इसमें आपको बना के सिखाएं. तो हम अभी जो ले रहे हैं वो 10 सेंटेंसेस लेंगे, लेकिन लार्जर और लार्जर सेंटेंसेस लेंगे, बिगर और बिगेस्ट सेंटेंसेस लेंगे. मीन्स इसके हेल्प से आप क्या करेंगे कि आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ जाएगा कि कैसे ज्यादा से ज्यादा सेंटेंसेस और बड़े सेंटेंसेस बनाए जाए. ओके, रेडी? ही हैज पावर. ही हैज पावर टू कंप्लीट हिज वर्क. ही हैज स्टेमिना. ही हैज अ बाइक विच इज वेरी कॉस्टली एंड गिव्स mileage of 60 or 70. Okay, he has a computer which is very good. There is no doubt about it. You have laptop which is very costly and इट प्रोवाइड्स यू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट एंड यू कैन डू ऑल द वर्क्स ऑन इट। तो आपने देखा कि इस तरह से सेंटेंसेस हम बना सकते हैं। तो ही हैज लॉट ऑफ बुक्स टू रीड होल डे, अ होल ईयर। He has all the facilities which are required for a common people. You have great knowledge of something, so by the help of that knowledge you can get success in your life and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. So it will be better for you. Try to achieve something. So you must have knowledge also. So you will have to use this as a past. पास में का मतलब हो गया कि उसके पास वो चीज है हो गया तो आपका ही हो गया, उसके पास थी हो गया और इसके पास होगी। फाइन। तो है होती हो गया, था के लिए देखिए, उसके पास बहुत अच्छा घर था या बंगलो था मिस अब नहीं है। ओके, ही हैड अ ब्यूटीफुल अट्रैक्टिव एंड वेरी कॉस्टली बंगलो, बट ही had all the facilities that also, but right now he has no, because he has sold that bungalow. So we can tell this point that he had everything right now before some months, but right now he has nothing. So we can use that he had everything. Don't worry, he has great knowledge of everything. He acquired a deep knowledge of all the facilities and everything. He had a lot of business also, but now his business is fallen down because of coronavirus. So we can tell that yes, he had. He will have means उसके पास वापस होगा। You will have all the facilities and comfortableness, whatever you want to know, whatever you want to get, you will have everything. So you must think about it. आपके पास भी सारा कुछ होगा, आपको ये सोचना है कि आपके पास क्या होगा। ठीक है, आपको ये है हैज, हैव, हैड, विल हैव का यूज। इसके बाद हम इसमें देखेंगे कंटिन्यूस। कंटिन्यूस में क्या होगा? कंटिन्यूस में आपको यहां पे याद रखें कि ये 3 में हो गया प्रेजेंट पास्ट फ्यूचर। अब यहां पे कंटिन्यूस में आपको देखा तो इज, एम, इज, am, are, was, were, will be। इसके बाद ये देखें कि ये के साथ इसमें आपका हैविंग आ जाएगा। क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे हैविंग हो जाएगा। यहाँ पे आपको यूज करना है हैविंग इनके साथ। हैविंग क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि कंटिन्यूअस में आईएनजी आता है। आईएनजी का मतलब हो गया यहाँ पे रहा है, ये आपका रहा है, ये आपका हो गया रहा था, और ये हो गया आपका रहा होगा। तो जो चीज आप कंटिन्यूअस में रख रहे हो, कर रहे हो, वो चीजें आ रही है। जैसे आप अभी क्या कर रख रहे हो, एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है आपको इस कोरोना वायरस में कि समस्या क्या क्या होती है। तो यू आर हैविंग एन एक्सपीरियंस, पास्ट हो जाएगा, यू आर हैविंग एन एक्सपीरियंस, और ही विल बी हैविंग एन experience, knowledge, you are having knowledge, you are having knowledge, or you will be having knowledge। तो आपने देखा कि इस टाइप से आपका ये वाला जो सेंटेंस है कंटिन्यूअस में आईएनजी वाला हो जाएगा। क्लियर है? तो इसमें ये चीजें आपकी हो जाएगी। इसके बाद परफेक्ट का देखें। परफेक्ट में क्या आएगा आपका? हैज, हैव, पास्ट में हो जाएगा हैड, और फ्यूचर में हो जाएगा विल हैव। परफेक्ट के अंदर यदि हम लेते हैं कोई चीज तो हमें थर्ड फॉर्म यूज करना है। मतलब हैज, हैव, हैड, विल हैव के साथ वी हैव टू यूज थर्ड फॉर्म देयर। तो हैड एक बार और सभी में हैड आ जाएगा, ये हैड हो गया और यहाँ पे भी हैड हो गया। हैड के बाद वापस वही आपका नाउन हो जाएगा। तो इट इज अवर सिस्टम। ये हमें समझना है कि ये एक कॉमन नहीं देखा जाता है और ये कॉमनली नहीं यूज होता, लेकिन while we are studying we have to get deep knowledge of everything. That's why we are taking all the examples and everything whatever about the position. Means we want to get deep knowledge of the grammar and we want to command over the position in deep. That's why we are taking all the examples of everything one by one. It will provide you deep knowledge of your position chapter. So you must understand this. ठीक है? तो आपको इसको ट्राई करना चाहिए, ठीक है। हैज और हैव लेते हैं। ही हैज हैड अ कार। ही हैज हैड अ कार का मतलब क्या हुआ, उसने कार रख ली है और वो कार रख चुका है, ठीक है। तो हैज और हैव का जब आप घर से निकलते हैं तो मम्मी आपकी पूछती बेटा टिफिन रख लिया है, सामान रख लिया है, ये सारी चीजें रख ली है आपने, मतलब आपके पास है, आपने रख ली है, व्यवस्थित कर ली है, यस। उस सेंस में हमें हैज और हैड के साथ ये यूज करना, क्या आएगा, ही हैज, इसके बाद हैड और वो चीज, तो क्या हो जाएगा, ही हैज हैड अ मोबाइल, यू हैव हैड अ मोबाइल, यू हैड अ मोबाइल, और यू विल हैव हैड अ मोबाइल। तो आपने देखा कि इसमें हमने यूज किया कि यू हैव हैड अ मोबाइल, यू हैड अ मोबाइल, और यू विल हैव हैड अ मोबाइल। तो ये चैप्टर जो है ये शो करता है कि जो आपके पास आपके अधिकार, बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स हम इसके ले सकते हैं क्योंकि इसमें 2 बार ये हैड आ रहा है, ये देखिए। सो वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस टू हैड। फर्स्ट इज अ हैड as a helping verb, ये क्या है, helping verb है, and it is a third form of the verb, means had is second had is the third form of the verb. So we have to think about had. Got it? So we have to discuss about this also. This plays a significant role in our language because we want to get deep knowledge of English language. We require complete knowledge and perfect knowledge of everything. So whenever we will start to speak before somebody in English language, that time this type of technique will help us because we have got deep knowledge of everything properly. So we will explain it properly everywhere. There will be no problem, there is no doubt to speak in English language. It will be easy task for you because we got deep knowledge. Deep knowledge can provide us everything whatever we want, so we must think about it. Okay, got it? So he has had a bungalow, he had a bungalow, he will have had a bungalow. You have had a car, you had a car, and you will have had a car. He has had knowledge, he had knowledge, he will have had knowledge. He has had a house, he had a house, he will have had a house. He has had books, he had books, he will have had books. Okay, so he has had a ticket, he had a ticket, he will have had a ticket. He has had money, he had money, he will have had money. Clear? So we will clear this type of, okay, our position. Now come to the point of next position. पोजिशन का अगला चैप्टर होता है 4 सेंटेंसेस बनाना है। तो क्या होगा, ही हैज अ मोबाइल, 4 कैसे बनाएंगे, इसका नेगेटिव आएगा, ही डजंट हैव अ मोबाइल, डज ही have a mobile, and doesn't he have a mobile. Look at, we are discussing about the how to frame 4 sentences of this position also. Yes, it is made everywhere, but we don't try to speak somewhere this type of sentences, but these type of sentences are being used everywhere. So it is necessary for us to frame this type of sentences. We have to try to make 4 sentences of each. Okay, so हमें इसका 1 के 4 बनाने हैं और वो हमें सीखना है कैसे बनाते हैं। तो इसका एग्जांपल है, तो क्या होगा, ही के बाद क्या है, हैज अ मोबाइल, ये तो कॉमन है आपके लिए। इसका जो नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस जो स्टैंडर्ड इंग्लिश में बनाते हैं वो चाहे तो आप यहाँ पे हैज नो भी कर सकते हैं, ही हैज नो, ठीक है, अ मोबाइल हो जाएगा। लेकिन एक स्टैंडर्ड के लिए क्या करें कि ही डजंट हैव आएगा। अब डजंट के साथ हैव क्यों आया, क्योंकि सिंगुलर के साथ क्या आता है, एस आता है, यहाँ पे एस हो गया। मतलब आपको दोबारा एस लगाने की जरूरत नहीं। तो यदि हैज लेते तो क्या हो जाएगा, आपका एस लग जाएगा, सिंगुलर के साथ आता है। तो इस वजह से सिंगुलर के साथ रूल था कि ये हो चुका है, तो यहाँ पे 100% आपका हैव आएगा। मतलब यदि कोई भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले आ जाती है तो उसके साथ हमेशा हैव ही आएगा। क्लियर है, ये रूल याद रख लीजिए। तो यहाँ पे इसलिए हैव आ गया और ये मोबाइल आ गया। अब इसमें क्या हुआ, डज आ गया, कि सिंपल टेंस के हिसाब से आ गया। प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में भी डज, डू और डज आगे आते हैं फ्रेमिंग, सेंटेंसेस फ्रेमिंग के लिए। तो ये डज आपका आ गया, क्या डज ही हैव अ मोबाइल, और फिर आ गया आपका डजंट ही हैव अ मोबाइल। डज ही हैव नॉट भी कर सकते हैं, मतलब इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, डज ही नॉट। ये पुराने टाइम का है, अभी भी पढ़ाया जाता, नो इशू। बट मॉडर्न इंग्लिश वी हैव टू लर्न मॉडर्न इंग्लिश, and in modern English try to speak in a contracted form. So doesn't is a contracted form. Just example, I am taking just example of how to speak in this life. So you speak, I don't know this, so I don't know, don't is a contracted form. So use same thing here, we have to use doesn't. Clear? तो ये आपका हो गया doesn't he have a mobile। तो ये हो गया आपका प्रेजेंट। इसी को पास्ट में लेते तो कैसे हो जाएगा, ठीक है, इसका पास्ट बनाते हैं। पास्ट, पास्ट में देखें तो क्या होता है, ही हैड, क्या होगा, हैड, हैड इज द पास्ट ऑफ, तो क्या होगा, ही हैड अ मोबाइल, मतलब उसके पास मोबाइल था। ठीक है, उसका नेगेटिव क्या होगा, नेगेटिव में पास्ट में हमें यूज करना है डिड, और डिड के बाद हमेशा ये आएगा डिडंट। डिडंट का, डिड का यूज नॉट, चाहे तो डिड नॉट कर सकते, मैंने अभी कहा था। But contracted form, it is for advanced English language, and we are taking the advanced English language classes. So you must think about the short contracted form or short form. So we are taking this contracted form. So it will be better for you if you try to speak and in the contracted form. Using contracted form, it will impress to others. So you must try to use this type of language. Okay, he didn't have a mobile. Then again we have to use did here, did and didn't. It is the past. He had a mobile, he didn't have a mobile, did he have a mobile, and didn't he have a mobile. So you found that yes, it is very shortcut trick, just you have to use only the second form of the verb in the past. So I used the second form, had is the second form of the verb. So but we try to change it in a negative sentences. So negative sentences we took did, and did is the second form, so we are using did in the first of the sentence. So it will make a question, means we are asking from somebody, did you have a mobile, means did you have a mobile in the past. So he will answer in yes or no. So we have to think about it. And in the last we are taking the didn't he have a mobile. It is just interrogative and negative sentence. If you are asking from somebody, didn't means क्या नहीं, क्या आपके पास मोबाइल नहीं था, मीन्स इन द पास्ट वी आर आस्किंग इन दिस स्टाइल फ्रॉम समबडी. So he will reply yes or no. So we want to ask a question from him in yes or no. So we have to use this type of questions. So we can use the same method here. Did he not? It is an old system, but we can use here. Did he not? And so this type of method we can use here. But try to use this method. This method is very fine. And it is just advanced level, okay, for advanced level students. So you must try to be an advanced level student. So you must learn this funda, how to frame direct and contract, use contracted forms words. Okay, in future he will have a mobile. Fine, it is just your sentence. How will you frame negative sentence of this? Simple, it is very simple. He won't have a mobile. In the interrogative sentences you can use will. Will is the helping verb. So will he have a mobile? It is a question. When we are asking question from somebody, क्या उसके पास मोबाइल होगा, सो वी हैव टू यूज कि क्या, एंड इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव फ्रॉम दिस वर्ड. सो वॉन्ट ही हैव अ मोबाइल. नाउ वी आर स्टडिंग प्रैक्टिस. Now we are doing practice of this. Okay, we will start practice of us. So you will have to think about the practice of all. Okay, because practice will make you an expert person of all these things. So we are trying to make practice. So start your practice with me and try to speak with me, because it will help you a lot. You have learned this. I know that you have learned this and you got it very well, and you practiced in a previous year classes also. Many classes you studied it, but you didn't practice. That's why it is in not your habit. And if you want to do things command over it properly, so you must try to do a lot of practice with me. So right now you must start with me. Okay, he has a car. He doesn't have a car. Does he have a car? Doesn't he have a car? In the past, he had a car. He didn't have a car. Did he have a car? Didn't he have a car? Future, he will have a car. He won't have a car. Will he have a car? Won't he have a car? Fine. New. You have a computer. You don't have a computer. Do you have a computer? Don't you have a computer? Show it by your language, body language. If you will show it your body language, everybody will that yes, you are feeling it. Means you must have feelings for English language. You must feel it. If you will feel it, you will enjoy a lot. And if you will enjoy a lot, means listeners, audience, public will enjoy a lot. So you must try to do it. Okay. So start with me. You have mobile. You don't have mobile. Do you have mobile? Don't you have a mobile? You had a mobile. You didn't have a mobile. Did you have a mobile? Didn't you have a mobile? You will have a mobile. You won't have a mobile. Will you have a mobile? Won't you have a mobile? She has books. She doesn't have books. Does she have books? Doesn't she have books? She had books. She didn't have books. Did she have books? Didn't she have books? She will have books. She won't have books. Will she have books? Won't she have books? She has a great knowledge of everything. She doesn't have great knowledge of everything. Does she have great knowledge of everything? Doesn't she have great knowledge of everything? She had great knowledge of everything. She didn't have great knowledge of everything. Did she have great knowledge of everything? Didn't she have great knowledge of everything? She will have great knowledge of everything. She won't have great knowledge of everything. Will she have great knowledge of everything? Won't she have great knowledge of everything? Vinod has all the facilities. Vinod has all the facilities. Vinod doesn't have all the facilities. Does Vinod have all the facilities? Doesn't Vinod have all the facilities? Vinod had all the facilities. Vinod didn't have all the facilities. Did Vinod have all the facilities? Didn't Vinod have all the facilities? Vinod will have all the facilities in his life. Vinod won't have all the facilities in his life. Will Vinod have all the facilities in his life? Won't Vinod have all the facilities in his life? So we did a lot of practice and we are making a lot of videos and doing a lot of hard work for you. So you must subscribe this video and try to share and like it. It will encourage us to do something the best in our life. We are trying to get success in our life. So by the help or by your help, we can get definitely success. So it will better for everybody. So just try to like and share this.